Assalamualaikum class. Today we are going to learn about set notation, how we represent a set, how we write a set, what are the types of set. Okay, this is the 1B exercise details. So descriptive notation. If you write a descriptive notation, then the set is described by a statement like set of vowels in the English alphabet, and we will answer these as this. In the tabular notation, all the elements of the set are listed within the curly brackets and separated by commas. Tabular form means in numbers or letters. In roster or tabular form, all the elements are written in the set. Okay, next is builder notation. What is builder notation? This is the builder notation. Wait. X such that X is a vowel of English alphabet. This mark is, we say it as such that. Okay, is expressed in the form of rule. Okay, here are some examples. This is a tabular form. This is builder form, set builder form, and this is a descriptive form because this is describing a set. So let's start from exercise 1B. Question number 1M. X such that X is the name of President of Pakistan. Now the President of Pakistan is Imran Khan, so we write M is equal to Imran. The next is X such that X is a counting number less than 6. Counting numbers are 2, 4, 5 less than 6. So we've done it, and then y such that so we have to solve it. Like these are simple and we can do it. Okay, y is such that y is the name of 3 countries beginning with B. You can write it. Days of the week, you can also write it. Next is a planet in a solar system, any planet like Earth. X such that X number divisible by 3 and less than 30. Numbers are 3 and 1. Okay, next is write the following sets in set builder form. Okay, so let's start with it. If we solve like first question, P is equal to A, comma B, comma C up to Z. This is a set of P is equal to X such that X is a set of alphabets. So you have to write like this. Next is X such that X is a set of even numbers. Next is X such that R is a set of, just wait a second. Okay, X such that X is a set of odd numbers. Next S is X such that X is a set of flowers. Next is X such that X is a set of nouns that start from J. Like it is a easy exercise. Okay, next is to solve in tabular form. Days of weeks. You have to write Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, all that. Set of one digit natural numbers. Natural numbers are the numbers that start from 1. So set of, let's name it as a set of natural number 1, 2, 3. One digit natural number means up to 9. 6, 7, 8, and 9. Next is a set of even numbers between 12 and 21 that are 14, because we can't write 12 because between is the word that restricts us to write the 12. Okay, 12 नहीं आ रहा तो 14, 16, 18 and 20. Next is odd numbers between 10 and 20 that are 11, 13, 15, 17, 19 and just these are odd numbers. Okay, next is set of first 5 planets. So you can write also Pluto first 5 planets. Set of 2 digit numbers that are up from starting from 10, because 2 digit numbers are 36, 10, 12, because 2 digit numbers are up to 99. That's all. Okay class, subscribe my channel and also share it and like it, and comment if you have some queries and you want live session with me. Please comment and give feedback to me. Allah Hafiz.